Today I'll show you how to enable and customize the Home button in Helium Browser. The Home button gives you quick access to a page of your choice directly from the toolbar, making it easy to get back to your favorite page with a single click. To get started, open Helium Browser and click the three-dot menu in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Once the Settings page opens, look at the menu on the left side and click Appearance and Behavior. In this section, you'll find an option called Show Home Button. Turn this option on and you'll immediately see the Home button appear beside the address bar. Below this setting, you'll notice two different options for what happens when you click the Home button. The first option is New Tab Page. When this option is selected, clicking the Home button simply opens a new tab page, giving you a fresh starting point for browsing. The second option lets you choose a custom website instead. Simply enter the web address you want to use. For example, you could enter YouTube, your favorite news website, your email inbox, or any other page you visit frequently. Once you've entered a website address, click the Home button and Helium will take you directly to that page. This can be a great time saver if there's a website you access regularly throughout the day, and that's all there is to it. By enabling the Home button and choosing either the new tab page or a custom website, you can make Helium Browser fit your browsing habits and keep your favorite destination just one click away.